This is a search and recovery scenario that is a part of the PADI Divemaster Course. In this video, Oscar, my instructor, hid a weight belt around the reef and I was tasked to look for it. When we found the weight belt at a depth of 6 meters, I did a bowline to connect the weight belt with the lift bag that I am carrying. And after doing the bowline knot, I made sure that it's tight and secure on both ends. Here, Oscar is demonstrating on how to slowly add air, at the same time checking for neutral buoyancy. After slowly adding more air into the lift bag, it achieved good buoyancy. In this scene, we're currently at our 3-minute safety stop and we're just waiting for the timer to end before we slowly ascend to the surface. After our 3-minute safety stop, Oscar and I switched places, so now I'm the one adding air while he is purging the air out as we slowly ascend. When we got nearer to the surface, I fully inflated the lift bag. And that's it. Thanks.